Well, a deadly earthquake rocked Mexico City yesterday. The 7.6 magnitude earthquake devastated the capital, shattering windows, cracking walls, and collapsing buildings. This is the third deadly quake to strike on September 19th in the last 40 years. Officials say so far they have confirmed 2 people were killed. NBC News correspondent Guad Venegas joins us now with the very latest. Guad, this was a huge quake near the top of the Richter scale. I know people sent you videos showing the damage from the earthquake. What are they saying about the conditions on the ground right now?
Vicky, what we know is that the epicenter was in the state of Michoacán in Cualcomán. This is a remote area. It's a couple hours away from the capital, and most of the damage was in a nearby state of Colima, the city of Manzanillo. This is a beach city that's actually visited by a lot of Americans and Canadians. Some of them even live there. You can see some damage. This is damage that happened at a car dealership. This is also where 2 people died. The government reports 9 people were injured. Over 150 homes also damaged, and roads that lead to this area were also damaged. Now, the military has been deployed to this part of the country. The states that were mostly affected are Michoacán, Jalisco, and Colima. But of course, the earthquake was felt as far as Mexico City on a day, September 19th, when they had an earthquake drill less than an hour before in memory of the earthquakes that took place in 2017 and also in 1985, Vicky.
3 quakes on that day. The Mexican president had a press conference this morning. An official mentioned some of the aftershocks from the quakes. What do we know about the severity of those aftershocks? And do they anticipate any more deaths? 2 deaths, frankly, is remarkable considering the strength of this earthquake, Guad.
Vicky, they've had more than 600 aftershocks. This morning, they mentioned at 3:22 a.m. they had a 5.8. Fortunately, the damage that they have found is from the original earthquake. They deployed the military to assess all of that damage, but it looks like as of now, it's only the 2 people that died and less than a dozen injured, Vicky.
All right, NBC News correspondent Guad Venegas. Thank you, Guad.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.